Hi, I'm Denise Austin.
And I'm Katie Austin.
And we're mother-daughter workouts. Woo! Are you ready for a great standing ab workout? No equipment necessary, just you and your tummy.
Yeah, that's right. You don't even have to get down on the ground. So let's get started.
Okay, the first exercise is an awesome one that works the front of your abs, but make sure you're thinking good posture. That's it. Your back is strong and straight, you're zipping up your abs, and you're pulling your knees towards your chest. That way it works the lower part of your abdominals too. Standing up tall, and let's work to the side. Think about your length through the spine, shoulders down and back. Tighten up those abs, core muscles engaged. You're doing great. That's it.
Now let's add a little bit of a twist and a crunch. So opposite knee to elbow, drive that knee up from side to side, keeping those hands behind your head in good posture. Working those obliques now.
I love this one because it really works the tummy and the waistline and those love handles that we don't like. 2 more. Last one. Okay, now stand to the side, reach your hands up and pull your knee towards you and lift. Pull, release, pull. Now really feel it. Lengthen through the leg and then pull it up through the ab. You should be feeling it right here. Crunch.
Using those lower abs too, to really pull through that knee, lower abs, great. Using those arms, really elongate them out and pull through. For 3, for 2, last one and switch.
All right, lengthen first, then real pull, good. It's all in the abs, think about those abs. Tighten up those tummies, that's it, great. Core muscles engaged. Brace those abs. Pull, late breathing.
Exhale every pull. Great.
2 more. Last one. Okay, come right here. We're gonna twist. Right here.
This looks like a little karate chop movement,
yes.
Mom.
But chest high, think good posture, and we're going down.
Oh, we're going down.
Yes, we are.
We're going down.
And we're going back up.
We're going up.
But really twist. Twist, reach those arms out. Woo. One more time, down, use your thighs, tighten up the tummy. That's it, come back up and twist.
Twist even more, last time going down. Twist even more, stay low, twist it out, and come right back up.
And to the side. I love this one. Good.
Mom, I've never seen this move before, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, I've been doing this for years, honey bunny. It works. 2 more. Okay, to the other side. Keep moving.
We make working out fun.
We sure do. 2 more. Last one. Okay, inhale. And exhale. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay. Can I show you one of my favorite standing ab moves? It's a little bit of cardio though.
Okay.
So catch your breath. I like to call these twisties. I put my arms right here and there's just a little twist, just like that. Now, yeah, get into it.
Ooh, I like this.
Yeah, it's fun.
Ooh, good.
And twist your torso with it. Keep breathing. I really can't make fun of my mom's moves because this one's a little bit weird too, but this one's great cardio abs. Each side, just twist it out.
I love it.
Great. Nice work. See how my mom's feet are actually not leaving the ground? I can add a little bit more hop in it, just like this. But if you guys want to make it low impact, just follow my mom. Great. For 5, 4, we're gonna slow it down. In 3, 2, 1. One side, reach around. Beautiful. Inhale, and as you exhale, standing side crunch.
Those are good, Katie.
Great. Really get that knee all the way, drive it up to that elbow, and reach and feel that stretch. Great.
I love this one, Katie. I feel like I'm cinching in my waistline. Something I really need. Good.
Few more, then we'll switch sides. Stick with us. Last 2. Last one. And let's switch.
You can really zip up those abs. Tone and tighten the abs by like zipping it up. Okay, reach out.
Here we go.
Crunch.
If you guys want to make it a little bit more challenging, feel free to float that foot right here as well to really feel that balance through your core. But if, again, you want to speed it up, tap that toe on the ground and feel the burn. Here we go.
And I really feel it, especially too in the sides of the waistline, on the leg I'm standing on.
Same.
Helps with balance, to keep the core muscles engaged, to better your balance, and tone and tighten through the waistline.
Last two, and one.
Ooh, I felt that one.
Felt that one.
That feels so good.
Yes.
Okay, one of my very favorites, I've been doing this for years and it works. So lengthen through the arms, reach out, keep your knees slightly bent to protect your back, and really reach. These exercises really engage the muscles on the sides. That's it. Reach out there. It also lengthens the torso. Good. That's it. Tighten your tummy though. Is your lower abdominals tight? Do like a slight pelvic tilt as you do this. That's it.
Woo! I feel this one.
Two more. Last one. And now one of my favorites. Reach to the side and cross inside. Crossovers. Good.
So almost like that move that we started with, those pulls, but we were going straight on with our knee. Now we're actually twisting just a little bit here.
Yes. Good. Every little angle works the different area of the core. This is a good angle to get the sides of the waistline and the lower abdominals. But pull the belly button in and really tighten up through the core area. We got two more. One more.
I have a move after this if you guys want to try it.
Okay.
Ready? We were right here in this move. Place that foot down below on that last one.
Yeah.
Come into a nice lunge and twist.
Oh,
Just a little
I love
baby
that
twist.
Oh,
Towards
yes.
that knee that's out. Just a baby little twist. Great.
Oh, Katie, that's awesome. I love it.
Really working those obliques. We have four. Really quick, and we're gonna switch into and one. Just cross,
Oh, I love
switch. Here we go, other side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Great side crunch. Really pull it in. Tummy in.
Burning calories too. This is great low impact cardio.
That's why I love standing abs. Doesn't hurt your neck. You're burning extra calories and you're focusing on the entire torso area. Your core muscles, the abs, the rectus abdominis, the transverse abdominis, your back, and your obliques.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Plant that foot.
Okay, I love
Lunge position. Doesn't matter if you can't do all the way down. Just a little baby twists. Perfect. The more you actually, so palm your hands just like this. Good job, Mom. The more you actually put pressure in between your hands, the more you're actually gonna engage that core. So really press those hands together.
Oh yes. It really engages more abdominals. 110% of focus on the abs.
Great work. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. We're gonna come in some nice low impact jumping jacks.
Wonderful.
So each side, inhale and exhale. Wonderful.
Good.
Cooling it down right here.
Feels so good. Lengthen through the chest. Lengthen through those quads, through the core. That's it, lift up. Beautiful.
Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Here we go, last few. For 2 and for 1, leave your hands right behind your head. Just feel that chest stretch right here.
Oh, feels so good, Katie.
And can I actually tell you what I used to do this move to
Yes.
when we lived together and you used to do it to me? Okay, so if my mom, you need someone to work on your posture. So if you guys are just at home by yourselves, that's totally fine just to open up that chest. But if you have someone nearby, this is literally the best posture correcting stretch to open up your chest, really relax those shoulders down and back. I'm just slightly pulling on my mom's elbows out, putting my knee right in between her shoulder blades on her spine, very gently though. Wonderful.
Feels so good, guys. Oh, it also will help improve your posture and open up your chest. And it lengthens through the abdominals. Right now, here's another extra little tip. Throughout the day, pull your abs in. The more you practice pulling them in, the better educated the muscles will be, stayed in. Then, if you want to take it to the next level, tighten up your ab muscles for 5 seconds. Tight, 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 tight. And that's equal to a sit-up. So there you've done some great isometric exercises that will truly help you all throughout the day. Think good posture to flatten that belly.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining us for this quick standing abs routine. We really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys follow my mom, Denise Austin, and me on Instagram and all things social media as well. We love you guys, and send this to a loved one so you guys can do it together.
Yay,
Bye.
stay fit forever.